Hey there, awesome cartel fans! Get ready for some major news in the world of science and technology. We've just heard that the US Department of Energy is set to announce a major breakthrough in fusion energy research. For the first time ever, scientists at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California have been able to produce a fusion reaction that creates a net energy gain. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is fusion energy? It's basically like recreating the energy of the sun here on Earth. By smashing atoms together at high speeds, scientists hope to create a virtually limitless source of clean, cheap power. It's been referred to as the holy grail of carbon-free energy, and researchers have been working on it for decades. While it's still probably a while away from being used commercially, this latest development is a huge step forward. Not only could fusion energy provide electricity with no carbon emissions, but it would also produce no radioactive waste and require fewer resources than solar and wind power. It could bring cheap electricity to parts of the world that need it most, all while helping to combat climate change. But don't get too excited yet, there are still some big challenges to overcome. Creating fusion power at a practical scale would require materials that are extremely difficult to produce, and the reaction generates neutrons that put a lot of stress on the equipment. Plus, we still need to figure out how to turn the reaction into electricity that can be practically deployed on the grid. Despite these challenges, this is still a major milestone in the journey towards fusion energy. Thanks for tuning in, awesome cartel fans. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting updates on the latest science and technology news.